How's it going, guys? Hog Squad here, and today we're fishing for halibut on the double drop shot icy white zoom fluke. So basically we're just running some size 1 drop shot hooks and a 1 ounce weight, and we're gonna catch some pretty big halibut. Because when you got the double going, the halibut, the big ones are gonna chase it more often, just because you're putting out 2 instead of 1. So it gives them more of an opportunity to get their prey or bait. And when you got 2, it's game over. So catch some fish. You got one? Nathan's on. Pointing the camera at you. Got fish on over here. It's the most awkward way of filming I think I've ever done. I'm literally just so we got the fish on over here. Nathan's on a nice little halibut. He's kicking a little bit. There he goes. Flip him. Oh, decent halibut for sure. You want me to flip him? Oh! We got him on camera though. Oh! Yep. Oh, dude, this one's a... Not a bad one, dude. Might be a decent fish on. You can never tell until they're like right here. See how much he weighs. Yeah, actually, I don't know if he's big or not. Spotty? Surprise, surprise. Little spotted bay bass. Little teeny spotted bay bass. Clock the zoom fluke while drop shotting. I mean, we're going for halibut, but they're always a fun fish to catch because they pull so hard. So let's get this guy back in the water. Yep. Oh. Oh yeah. You get one? Here, I'm gonna go down the rocks and land them. Yeah, I'm gonna go down the rocks. Just bring them over here. Nathan's on a nice one. First cast at new spot. Your boy is parkouring down. It's a spotty? Oh, oh, never mind. Whew. He's still fighting, huh? Yeah. Big boy or what? Oh, that's a big boy. Thought it was a halibut for a second. These spotties will trick you out. Nice spotty. Bounce this guy up. Nice little chunker. Nice spotty. Getting him back in the water.
Taking a jump.
Taking a jump. Oh, what the? I literally just missed one, dude. It was like the slightest hit in the world. Oh! Oh! Do you see that? I got that on camera, dude. Nathan's on right now. Got a nice halie for sure. Yep. Actually, not too bad of a halie.
Little one.
A little doinky. Can we bounce this guy, you think? Or should I grab him?
Yeah, I just want to see it.
Bounce him. There he is. Halibut on.
Freaking out.
He's not having a good day right now. There he goes. Nice little halibut. Slate him. Later, dude. Nathan's on. Big boy or what?
Yeah.
Nathan's on him for sure, big boy. You know, I was just screwing around like a moron. Oh! Big boy spotty. Grumpy spotty. Bounce him. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, perfect. Overall, it was a great day of fishing. I mean, we got one halibut, which is what we were after, but the big one we did lose, and I did get a bite that was a halibut, I know for sure, and he came off. So, rough day halibut. We couldn't really find the stacks of them. They weren't really stacking today, but we did find some stacks of spotted bay bass. It was weird though. Spotties weren't tight to the structure today. They were more in just a sand flash, just kind of chilling, which usually don't find a lot. Usually when they're structured, they're always tight to the structure, but they were way off the structure today, which was interesting. But we still had a good day fishing, got some fish, and I mean, can't ask for really much more. So we'll catch you guys later in episode 7, and don't forget the giveaway. All you need to do is just like post to win tickets, comment on post to win tickets, tag 3 people on our Instagram to win tickets, and you guys are set for that. And remember, it's an Abu Garcia ambassador, so why not go for it? And we'll catch you guys episode 7. Later.